Number 7. The Shark HV343AMZ Rocket-Corded Stick. Vacuum with self-cleaning brush roll offers exceptional performance and convenience for all users. With its powerful 500-watt motor and efficient design, this vacuum effortlessly tackles dirt and debris while remaining maneuverable and lightweight. The product dimensions of 13.4 L, 10.24 W, 47.3 H ensure that it can reach tight spaces easily. Additionally, its noise level of 80 dB maintains a peaceful environment during cleaning. The inclusion of a crevice tool and upholstery tool enhances its versatility, making it suitable for various cleaning tasks. A notable feature of the Shark HV343AMZ is its self-cleaning brush roll, which effectively removes hair wrap, saving users the hassle of manually detangling the brush after use. This adds a level of convenience that is often lacking in other vacuum models. With a capacity of 0.68 quarts and a foam filter, this vacuum is designed for efficient and thorough cleaning, particularly on carpet.